I'm like, it's so scary how you can see somebody else's true colors just like that, but it kind of took you a while. You're like, damn, nigga, what are you talking about now, man? What the fuck is wrong with you, TT? I'm like, no, there's nothing wrong with me, but imagine now discovering some dark shit. Let me give you a scenario, though. Imagine yourself. You find out that your mama, yes, she's your mama, but your daddy, he ain't your daddy. Actually, your daddy lives next door. You're like, God damn. This whole time he's been saying, Sawubona kusbanibani. Kanti ubabakho. Funny part, he didn't know as well. He'd be like, God damn. Ladies. I mean, it's kind of somehow when I'm saying, imagine your mother. I mean, like, I don't want to think of the worst about my mama. But you want to think of the worst about maybe your girlfriend, that she slept with your friends, your teacher, your co-workers and all that bullshit. Why you gonna be angry at that? If you don't wanna hear the stuff your mama did, you'll be like, man, it's not about my mama, but wait. Now we're talking about your mom, what's happening, where you really come from. When a person is like, God damn, nigga. Why would you even think something like that? I'm like, it's life, man. I've been watching like certain stuff, like certain series, whatever, but I don't know, I've been disclosing the name of the series, but man, that shit was like deep. So now I'm thinking right here, I'm like, damn, a woman can actually keep a secret like that. Some they be even telling you that, yeah, you're not the father, but I'm not gonna tell you who the father is. You'd rather kill me. I'm like, God damn. Next thing she tries to tell you, and then she figures out a ways to tell you, and then you'll be like, God, oh my God, this shit is worse. It was better if I didn't know anything. You figure out that the father of your child is your father. So your father has been dating your girlfriend, your wife. Be like, God damn, I'm cool. God damn. So it's 2025, man. So we gotta figure some shit out where, man, to a man aware. Whatever that we're hustling it for good. Imagine now, dog. TikTok is banned. Imagine all that millions, all that money people be making over TikTok. I mean, imagine now, let's say this TikTok thing, it shuts down nationwide. Pitch black. God damn. Some people have money like that to make it be like, you know what, switch this fucking thing off. Just for a day or maybe 90 days. Imagine. Some people have that. I mean, it's the government, we get it. My thing is, why the government always trying to get involved in some shit that they don't have business? But hey, they have all of us like this. There's no way you can run. They're gonna get you with tax, IRS, SARS, all that stuff. You know them. So, but anyways, this is me, and this is you.
Trejo Tebogo from Turfloop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel LungTrey STUDIO, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung